2 rounds. Hey everybody, welcome back to Kill Outdoors. We're heading down to Gloucester, Virginia today. Meet up with my buddy Henry Wilkerson, Delroy, Jut Updyke. Y'all might have seen him on Facebook. He does like the drone recovery with the deer. I mean, real sweet. I'll put his info in the descriptions or whatnot. But we're gonna come up here and see if we can't get on some rabbits. So y'all stay tuned. It's about 7:15 right now. They said we're meeting at 8, and then I think they changed it to like 7:30, but I ain't get the memo, so we go get down here quick as we can, safely as we can, and I'll turn the video on when we get there. Stay tuned. 14 Henry. Yeah. 14. Yeah. Huh? Yeah, it was a rabbit, I believe. Good God. Put something tough on them. That rabbit turned and went back that way. Rabbit losing them in this damn water. This marsh. Got a river right there. Find that rabbit. Back to you. Alright, just turn the GoPro on. They just shot back over there. Hopefully they got him. You get him? You get him? Dog's lost him. Hey, you get him, Henry? All right. I try to get the dog back to you. They jumped another one, and it went straight back to that house. I hurried up and ran to the water. I think I turned and made him come back this way. There's some rabbits over in this little piece over here. They just keep. Where he go? Oh, he killed him over there. Where he killed him at? Oh, okay. Good, good. You're trying to ease back around.
Must well. Come on there, Delroy.
I knew I messed around over there long enough. Delroy, he would come out there. Look, every time I jump a. Look, I spotted a red went right up under that house over there, and the dog went up under the house, and the rabbit went back to the stuff like that. I thought it was ducks moving. So the dogs all out in the water about that deep. And I said, all the rabbit doing going out there long enough to lose dogs and coming back in.
That's what he just did there, coming out through there.
Uh-huh. Oh, okay. There you go. They picked him up right quick. I said picked up a second one right quick. Ouch. You get him, Henry? Did he cross over, Henry? I thought y'all was shooting that deer over there.
Dove hunting. Huh?
So what? Hey, Delroy shot so many times. I said, oh yeah, he definitely got to plug out the gun. Probably.
Wait, did he eat him up bad?
They got it in for him.
Oh, all right, they good there.
Let's find another one.
Other side of you. Call the dogs down there. Hey, they crossed by where that broken tree at right there. Crossed over to the right. Get to him. Yeah, true. Yeah, they on them dogs. They them dogs on them. Yeah, right there. Did I get him? Huh? Did I get him? Oh, I see fur right here.
Oh, that's where you up ahead. Let's get close to the doves. Oh, that's where. I ain't never seen.
So I'll wait for you to shoot it first.
I ain't never seen. Keep your eye on the dove.
I was shooting a long ways, but
They come now.
they're going back. Ain't much left on him. Yeah, throw the rabbit this way. All right. Yeah, come on. All right. Good God, ain't well.
Get it done that again.
One chase right here. Got another chase back over here. Hey, Delroy, that rabbit don't want to cross the line for nothing, eh? You come right parallel there with you? Yeah. You seen him? No, Jut seen him. Alright. Alright. On Deer Drive. Some guy ran a corner there. Another chase back over here. God, that boy shooting some shells today, boy. Did he get him, Henry? I don't know. Hey, 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 Dad, hey, 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 put it down, put it down, hey, put it down, hey, 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 let go, let go, let go, Let go. Let go. Dead. God dang, y'all some freaking healing. Yeah, I got him. Golly. Yeah, I got him. Shucks, I gotta put 2 rabbits together just to have a meal. Yeah, I got him. No, I'm shooting number 6 and I'm just shooting far. If I can see him, I'm gonna try him. Find that rabbit. Well, folks, that ended up being the last rabbit. The rain came in, bottom dropped out, but still had a good day. About a 4.5 hour rabbit hunt. We ended up with 8. Appreciate you, Henry Wilkerson, for the invite. Rabbit Dogs, Delroy, Jut. Had a good time out there with y'all boys. And yeah, as always, like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.